Now, keeping the city finances on track is a central responsibility entrusted to the city government. This month, we begin our exploration of your city government with the Finance Department.
I have two jobs here. One is to manage the next year's financial, I call that budget. The other one is to supervise the accounting records that we have in the past. That is called the financial and accounting. We have the budget. City Council needs to approve the budget, and we go by the budget and how to spend the money. We cannot go over the budget authorized by the City Council.
My name is Kathy Webb. I've worked for the city for 22 years next month. I pay all of the bills for the city except for payroll. That includes contractors who repair the sidewalks to the police department and all the traffic signals in the city. I also take care of invoicing and other matters and anything that needs to be done in the finance department.
The majority of the revenue comes from the Hawaiian Gardens casino's license fees, which is about 75% of the entire city's general fund revenue. The rest of them are taxes, for example, like property tax, sales tax, and the license fees. We also receive some money from the federal government. It's called the grants.
Hi, my name is Linda Suniga. This is my 10th year here with the city. I am the accounting specialist. I really enjoy working here at the city. I help process the business licenses. I record the revenue that the city receives. I also do the bank reconciliation.
We had experienced harsh financial situation in the past, so the City Council is very conscientious about that. So we have been saving money every year to put into our reserve to make sure that we will have enough reserve in case of there's a rainy day.
The invoices that come into the city are never ending, and we process them through a requisition, and that has to be signed by the department heads, and that circulates around through my finance director, and then it comes to me for payment, and we issue the payment after the council approves.
The safeguard that we put in place is called internal control. Everything that we spend over $1,000 needs to be approved by city administrator, and then approved by me, and then approved by the department heads. So we have 3 levels of control of the money that we spend.
My name is Connie Sepulveda, and I've worked for the city for the past 17 years. I'm the accountant, and I do payroll citywide. We have around 95 employees, but it's more during the summertime. And I also do the retirement contributions for our corpers.
It is a very complicated endeavor, but we put our requisitions, we put our payments to the City Council. It's open records, and every City Council meeting, all the money we spend is presented to the Council for the inspection, for the public to inspect.
We're very careful when it comes to money matters, because as finance, we are supposed to be the fiduciary of the city to protect the interest of the city.
We are required to have financial audit, so we hired outside CPA firm to come in to audit our book every year. The financial report is prepared in accordance with the GAAP. That is a standard. All the cities need to follow that standard. So when we have the CPA firm come here to audit, they wanted to make sure that we follow those standards. If everything is good, they will give us a audit reports with their opinion. The best opinion is called an unqualified opinion. We have been receiving unqualified opinion in the past 10 years. I would say that the city's finances is very healthy and is very stable. We are very fortunate to have a Hawaiian Gardens casino here, generate so much tax revenues to the city, and so we can have a lot of projects go on as we wanted to. There are other cities that are facing financial hardships right now, but we managed. Well, we can continue our programs with the city and to serve the people of Hawaiian Gardens.
As you can see, the city's award-winning finance department is committed to providing open and transparent service to the community. To take a look at current and past year budgets, log on to www.hgcity.org.